Okay, now you see from the graph, you know for sure tangent restriction have to be quadrant 1, quadrant 2, right? You have to master the original graph. You see that? That's why I always said that you have to remaster every single day. I've slowed down for you to master. If you don't master this one, you cannot do this. If you don't master this one, you cannot do the next one. Okay? So now, you have to master the graph of cotangent. The tangent between negative pi 2 to pi 2, which is quadrant 4 and quadrant 1. However, cotangent is from 0 to pi. You're different. So you have many branes, right? So this on y-axis, the best thing is to choose this one here. This one negative, we don't like it, so get rid of this. And this one too far away, too big number, we don't want it. So the restriction of the cotangent is quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Okay? So the cotangent in quadrant 1, everybody quadrant 1, finally, all of them quadrant 1. But here, the tangent, cotangent, and cosine, they are the same restriction. You have to master the graph, and we don't need to remember this, okay? The book, whatever, say you try to remember, don't remember that. You remember the graph, okay? Remember one thing, you know a lot more things, okay? So the tangent with cotangent with the sine the same. This one tangent here, and the sine the same, okay? Now, the weird thing is, if this one the same here, then sine here and reciprocal sine equal cosecant inverse share the same with sine, and this one secant inverse theta share the same quadrant with them. Okay, so reciprocal cosine secant, so this one share the same restriction, and cosecant and sine share restrictions the same. However, between tangent and cotangent is not. This one and this one not the same restriction, right? Tangent is quadrant 1 and 4, cotangent quadrant 1 and 2. You see, math is weird, They're reciprocal, but they don't share. Okay, this one not only reciprocal with each other, they're also the co-function. Okay, this one two of them co-function, this one co-function, they're co-function, but they're not reciprocal each other. This one reciprocal the other one. Okay, you have to pay attention to this detail. Okay, so that's it.